pal, so take on me. So as you can see, I need to have some free here because I'm getting fog on my glasses. So as you can see, we are finally finished with our gear. So basically I have a tactical belt for my pistol, the wire, sorry about this, so you can see pistol wire, my weapon, see the aim point, what is this, ASOC, yeah. So,
Collimator.
oh, collimator. I don't know how to say collimator in English. Here's the my muzzle tip, not muzzle tip. You see the names totally.
Silencer.
Silencer. We can say this silencer, or there is a special name for it, but I can't remember now. Also, here you can see for my tactical light when we go on the night vision. I hope to then I will have build up my night vision so you can see with the LC. So. This is my gun, as you can see from the aim point. Yeah, you see the green dot, so I can switch to red dot, and this is basically it. Now I can show you how it shoots. Now we can compare it. So nice effect. Yeah. I was better 5 minutes ago, so I don't know what else to show. Oh, we have also our new boots. Yeah, Zor 60, Czechoslovakian. Nice comfy
Also
boots.
my.
Yeah, I will show you my friend now. Just put to safety, bullet off. Yeah, this is really nice system on this. Cover the lens.
And you have new
Nicely.
gloves.
Also I got new gloves, I forgot to show you, thank you. So this is tactical gloves, really nice. Some padded here, for you know, somebody knock out. So, I don't know, I think that's all, no? Yeah.
Yeah, that's all.
Oh, we have an European Union flag, yeah, it is here. And my whistle. Sorry. Yeah, everybody know we are here now. So I can show you my friend. So, he's here. Yes, small failure with his gun at the moment. So we can show you a shot, but you can see here's also for the light, tactical light here. So ASAC, you know all this stuff. What's new here? Oh yes, we also finally get for the sling here, so you can wear his gun in front. Also his new tactical vest, nice,
Yes.
nice stuff. You can see he's got all the punches there, also the European flag. Yeah, really, really nice. You'll
Admin
have-
pouch for some magazines.
Yes. Tell us what you will have soon. What you will got.
What?
What you will have, the new stuff coming.
New stuff. I will have some new silencer. 19 millimeters.
Yeah, it will be like
this, yeah?
this big, this
No,
big.
no, no, big.
No, this big,
something
yeah.
like And I don't know what I will have here. Is
The belt, tactical
yes,
belt.
yes, tactical belt.
Yes.
Mole system.
Maybe some gloves.
Yes, and tomorrow tactical grip for this.
Yeah, that will look fantastic. When I see the big silencer there, yes, and tactical grip and the flashlight.
Today I can't shoot because I have how I can say this.
You can show them
some problem with
that
my
it is
gun.
not working.
Yes,
Yeah.
not working. So
Not working.
today no shooting.
No shooting. We are set. So, but I was practicing my gun. As you can see, there are some bottles. I can show you how small bottles I was hitting. You can see from how far, around 30 meters. So we are almost here. Here you can see these are really small bottles. So I was shooting them. I can move back when we were. I can show you once again. I will show them. Okay. So around 30 meters. Not good. I was better. Damn,
You must
always-
train a lot.
Yes.
New position.
It's getting about a bit on the right. I was playing with the hop up a while ago, so I need to. How it's shooting? A bit is taking out, so I will a bit lose it up. Okay, so let's see now. Yeah,
Better.
so we can see the high hop up. Okay. I can see it. Oh, okay, I can show you. It is relatively accurate for this. You can say from this far side from the bottle. So, okay. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed, and more videos soon. I hope. You can see the swing again for my Caesar 75. You can see no problem shooting. But no bullets, so so that is all. Thanks again for watching, and hope you enjoy it. I have also the helmet, but for the helmet I need the face protection,
Mask.
the mask. So basically this is all. Yeah, okay. Thanks for watching.